I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope.
What's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys how to install GTA Vice City on your Android device. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Chrome, whatever you have, Chrome, so open Chrome, and you right here aptoide.com, and we search it up to aptoide.com. But yeah, you want to go to Aptoide. You want to click on the first link right here. Whenever it loads, okay. But I already have it installed, so that should not take you to that site. Yeah, it's right here. There we go. It's this one. So when you get here to this site, you'll see this. You want to click install now, but I'm not going to click it because I already have it installed. The prompt saying that. But once you have that downloaded, you want to swipe up and go to your thing right here. You want to find Aptoide. You want to open it. You want to go down to the search bar, which will be down at the bottom third from the left. Click that. And it should be the second one down from the top. It's this one, and then you should have the download button go up because it's only a gig. And when you're done, you want to open it. Okay guys, that concludes the video today. But the links for everything will be in the description, including, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed I had to mute the audio because there was a problem with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the gameplay, and thank you guys for watching.
Ain't it a blessing? We made it out of Lansing after all that happened. That bitch, nigga. After Michigan State, after Hubbard, when our mans told on us, the bands they took from us. Joy Road, bitch, with the money long.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality, oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit, he choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up, daddies, he know. He won't have it, he knows. His whole back to these ropes, it don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant, he knows when he goes back to this mobile home that
I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope.